The upgraded bed supports have adjustable aluminum legs that go to the floor of the car to support the end of your trunkmate bed. One complete set of supports consists of 2 telescopic legs with plastic brackets pre-installed and a shorter connector tubing. Connect the 2 legs by press-fitting the connector tubing onto the plastic brackets, like so. Next, make sure that your trunkmate kit is in the trunk of your car and set up level and at your preferred height for sleeping in your vehicle. Now fold down the second row seats and extend the bed frame all the way out until it hovers above the footwell. This is where you'll want to attach the upgraded bed supports. Adjust the height of the legs up or down so that they match the height of the bed frame. As seen here, you may have to raise one of the legs quite a bit higher if your vehicle has a hump on the floor by the center console. Once both legs are adjusted correctly, bring the legs into position. For the best result, position the legs as close to the folded seat as possible. Align the plastic connector pieces with the underside of the bed frame and press down on the bed frames until you hear them click into place. Inspect that the legs rest on the floor of the car and that the bed frame appears level. Now you can unfold the bed boards and weight the system.